Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Our course is Biochemistry of Carbohydrates. My name is Asad Raza and roll number is 3105. The topic given to me for discussion is galactosemia. First of all, I will discuss about the definition of galactosemia. Galactosemia, it is a British word which means accumulation of galactose in the blood. It is a rare genetic metabolic disorder that affects an individual's ability to metabolize the sugar galactose properly. Galactosemia follows an autosomal recessive mode of inheritance that confers a deficiency in an enzyme responsible for adequate galactose degradation. In this definition, there are some terms to be explained. Genetic metabolic disorder. What is a metabolic disorder? A metabolic disorder occurs when abnormal chemical reactions takes place in the body and disrupt the normal process. And then genetic metabolic disorder. A genetic disorder means or it is a disease that is passed through families. Then next is autosomal recessive mode of inheritance. Autosomal recessive disorder means two copies of an abnormal gene must be present in order for a disease to develop. Then, what is galactose? Galactose is a carbohydrate. Actually, it is a monosaccharide that is considerable of importance to the human organisms. It is also called milk sugar. Galactose primarily part of a larger sugar called lactose, which is found in all dairy products. This is the structural formula of galactose. When it combines with glucose, it forms lactose, and then lactose is present in all dairy products. Functions of galactose. In the human body, most of the ingested galactose is converted to glucose, which can provide 4.1 kilocalories per gram of energy. History of galactosemia. Frederick Coppert, during the era of 1870 to 1927. He was a German physician, first described galactosemia in 1917. And then a name Hermann Kalker in 1956 also described this disease. Its incidence is about 1 per 60,000 births for the people of European ancestry. In other populations, the incidence rate differs. Galactosemia is about 100 times more common in the Irish traveler population. Causes of galactosemia. There are three causes of galactosemia: dairy products, enzymes deficiency, and toxic level of galactose. First, dairy products. The lactose that is present in various dairy products is broken down by an enzyme called lactase into glucose and galactose. Enzyme deficiency. Enzyme lactase deficiency is found in patients suffering with galactosemia. Enzyme lactase deficiency results in poor metabolism of galactose. Toxic level of galactose. High concentration of galactose causes hepatomegaly. Hepatomegaly means enlargement of liver, cirrhosis of liver, kidney failure, damage to the brain, and vision impairment. Symptoms of galactosemia are convulsions. Convulsions means uncontrolled, violent, or irregular movement of the body. It means involuntary contraction of the muscles. Irritability. Irritability means feelings of irritation, being irritable. Lethargy. Lethargy means lack of energy. Poor feeding. Baby refuses to eat formula containing milk, powdered milk. Poor weight gain. Yellow skin and whiteness of the eyes means jaundice. Vomiting. These organs are mostly affected by galactosemia: brain, eye, liver, kidney. Types of galactosemia. Galactose is converted into glucose by the action of three enzymes known as the Laloir pathway. There are diseases associated with the deficiencies of each of these three enzymes. Types of galactosemia. There are three types of galactosemia. Classic galactosemia, galactosemia type 2 and galactosemia type 3. First, classic galactosemia, the most common type of galactosemia that results from the lack of galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase. It is the name of an enzyme which causes classic galactosemia, and it is detectable at the time of birth. Galactosemia type 2. Galactosemia type 2 that results from the lack of galactose 1, galactokidase 1. It is also name of an enzyme which is responsible for the galactosemia type 2. It is also undetectable at the time of birth. Galactosemia type 3 results from the lack of UDP galactose epimerase. This enzyme is also undetectable at the time of birth. Genetic epidemiology. Genetic epidemiology means causation of a disease due to the mutation in the genes. Galactosemia type 1 results from the mutation of GALT. GALT is a gene that results to lack of enzyme galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase. Mutation of GALK1. The gene that results to the lack of enzyme galactokinase 1. Mutation of GAL. The gene that results to the lack of enzyme UDP galactose epimerase. Diagnosis of galactosemia. Galactosemia can be diagnosed through blood tests. The disease is detected by measuring the level of enzyme in red blood cells, white blood cells, or liver. Affected patients have no enzyme activity. Carriers have intermediate enzyme activity, about half of the normal level. Treatment. How galactosemia can be treated? Treatment is based on the elimination of galactose from the diet. This may be done in the early neonatal period by stopping breastfeeding and by the administration of diets which contain no lactose or galactose. For example, Neutramycin R and Progestimil R. These are two proteins. By taking these two proteins, we can treat galactosemia. Thank you. Thank you.